MOA, but I mean the funding. Nakabutang di sa GAA nyo siya eh. Di inalin ng funds. So it would be general appropriations. Okay. I'll go.
With the indulgence of Madam Chair, can we ask the presence of our head of CDRMO to answer the funding source?
Okay.
Ma'am Donna, you have the floor.
Good morning, Madam Chair, and all the members of this august body. The source is the reprogramming of the unexpended LDRMF capital outlay continuing appropriations for 2011 to 2018 under the flood resilience program.
Okay.
So we have, I think, allocated 10 million for this, or I forgot, or 5 million.
So dira siya mangkwaon. Okay.
That's fun.
So with the procurement, Madam Chair, ang remain na lang na question ko is why these consultants kag nga hindi kita bala mag-allow nga ang iban maghatag man sa aton proposal like maybe consultancy firm nga sila dayon. Because again it would hinder us nga ma-identify naton kung ano ang best nga proposal or best study because again we are going to spend 600,000 and plus may additional fees pa. So that is my question, Madam Chair, because again, I reiterate ko lang kagina ang akong opinion nga nakita ko sa ilang mga resumes, yes, damo sila sang studies, but again, these are studies. May ari di sa nakabutang si Dr. Hill, naging project leader siya sa low impact development strategy to mitigate the impact of climate change in induced urban flooding. So, I don't know if my colleagues here understand kung ano ni siya nga study because we don't have a copy of this study. What I'm requesting lang, Madam Chair, is to defer this motion, to defer this MOA until next week para mas mastoyan, masadihan.
Suspended.
Before that, Madam, would you answer?
Would you like to answer,
Yes, Madam Chair,
Attorney?
if I can. Madam Chair, we are urgently needing the authority to sign this because if the August body would allow,
Yeah.
the Dr. Hill will start his engagement with the city government next week
Yeah.
because it has been drastically delayed, Madam Chair, considering the proposal went through several stages. The services could have been engaged as early as end of July, considering the flooding problems in the city, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair, I understand the concern of attorney that it is urgent, and again, but it is only fair for a city councilor or for the city council to have enough time to study this MOA. And Madam Chair, I'm sorry I forgot to mention sections that are baliktanay.
Please proceed lang. Proceed. Yeah, isasta. Proceed lang para
Okay. So, Madam Chair, may ara ako gali question sa aton nga agreement nga nakabutang to bala nga i-ano siya nga what do you call this nga hindi siya pag i-release sa public. Kaya ang question ko during the gathering of data or the procedures ang pag-study sini nga hindi naton pag-release how. Kaya I think the methodologies used for this is already standard. So I think ang gusto ko lang magkuton, what are we hampering kung i-release ni dayon ng data? Kaya bal nila, Madam Chair, nga basi ko nung ma-influensya or I don't know, basi maapektuhan siya if it's gonna be released to the public. But I think during the study, dapat open kita for transparency sa public kung paano ini ginagather, kag paano ini ubrahon. And second, may ara ako gali sa section, from the scope of works of the consultants, section number 2, nakabutang ding detailed topographic survey of the project area and river cross-section or hydrographic survey shall not be conducted and used by the consultants in the model simulations unless provided by the proponent or owner. I think mahamper ni ang ilang nga study because hindi ta sila pag i-allow like dapat may ara sila tanis ang independent nila nga survey other than sa survey man diri naton sa city government.
Yes. Councilor Sarabia, please answer.
I think the good lady has already I think the body has already saturated